I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: an unlocked S22 Ultra, the latest Android update, and Wi-Fi or cellular access. Once you have the carrier's eSIM QR or activation code, open Settings and go to Connections, then SIM Manager. Tap Add Mobile Plan and scan the QR code or enter the details provided by the carrier. This begins provisioning the eSIM on your device, so wait for the phone to validate the profile before proceeding to configuration. Once the eSIM profile is installed, you configure how it's used. You should name each line for quick recognition, then select which line handles mobile data, voice, and messages. Make sure to enable or disable data roaming based on your plan. Excessive roaming charges can occur otherwise. Next, set the default for calls and SMS. You can pick Always Ask or a specific line. Finally, verify RCS or messaging settings. Use the intended SIM so services like chat features work. You finish by testing the setup. Place a call and load a web page to confirm voice and data work. If you need to switch lines, use the SIM Manager or Quick Settings to change defaults. When you're certain, remove any old profiles if not needed. If activation fails, first restart your phone and retry scanning the QR code, then confirm the carrier sent the correct details. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset network settings only if other fixes fail, because it clears saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.